Futta flies high.
Hello, Chinu. Hello, Meenu. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Futta.
Come, everybody. Let's go to Uncle Ramu's mango garden. Uncle Ramu's garden? But why? Oh, his mangoes are very tasty. Come, let's run. I will climb the tree. You all wait under the tree. I will pluck the mangoes and throw them down.
If Uncle Ramu gets to know, he is going to drive us away with his stick.
Oh, Meenu, it's fun to eat mango like this. Chinu, quick. Look, there is one on top. One to your right. Throw them quickly. Okay. Take this. Hey, what is this long line? Long line? Where is the line? Oh, Sahil. This one.
Chinu, that is a fence. Where is the line?
It looks like a line from here. It looks different from the top. What all can you see from there, Chinu? The cycle looks like a T. Oh, look at that car. It looks like a small box kept inside a big box. I also want to see things from the top. But how do I climb? Good morning, Futta. Come, I will help you. Sit on my back. I will fly you around everywhere. Thank you, Parrot. Come, let's go. Oh, Uncle Ramu is coming with a stick. Chinu, get down first. Run, everybody! Run quickly!
Oh God! Luckily, we ran fast. Chinu, look, I told you, Uncle Ramu will come to catch us.
It's okay, Meenu. That was fun. Come, Parrot, let's fly now. Futta wants to see things from the top. First, let's look at the fence. Look, the fence looks like a line from top. Now let me fly down. Oh, the fence looks different now. Parrot, let's fly up and look at a car now. Look at that car. It looks as if a small box is kept inside a big box. Oh, it does. Now let's look at it from the side. See, it looks different. Look at that bus. It looks flat from the top. Let's look at the bus from the side now. It looks different. Futta, we have to go home now. Okay, I will take you to your house. Thank you, Parrot. What a lovely ride that was!
Look here. Look at Chinu's pencil. It looks different from the top.
Oh yes, it looks different from the side now.
This table also looks different from the top. It is flat.
If you look at the table from the side, it is different.
What are you doing, Meenu?
I am making a rangoli.
Meenu makes beautiful rangolis, Parrot. She can draw flowers, leaf, boat, kite, star, and many other things.
Okay, now shall we play a game? I will draw half of a picture with my rangoli color. Will you try to finish the other half?
Hey, that should be fun. Okay, Meenu, you can start. That is a star. Let me try.
That's right, Buzz. Now, try this.
Let me try, Meenu. It is a butterfly. Let me finish the picture.
You are right, Parrot. Now, finish this.
I will do it. It is a flower. I have finished it.
Meenu, this is so easy. You drew half a picture. We drew the same thing on the other side. Now the picture is complete.
Buzz, this is called a mirror image.
Mirror image? What is that?
Come, I will show it to you. See, I have half a leaf. Now, I will put this mirror here.
Oh, magic, Chinu! It looks like a full leaf. Can we do like this for everything?
No, Parrot. Look, let me take another leaf. I will tear it like this now. Now, I will put it near the mirror. Does it look like a full leaf?
No, Chinu. Oh, so this is not a mirror image.
Yes, you are right, Buzz. It is not a mirror image. Let's try one more game now. I will draw some pictures. You tell me which of them will make mirror images.
But how, Meenu?
I will help you, Parrot. Meenu, draw a picture. Okay, what is this? It is a triangle.
If we draw a line like this,
it will be a mirror image. If we draw a line like this, it will not be a mirror image. Oh, now we know. Meenu, can you draw something else now?
I know. This is a mirror image. That's right, Parrot. Now, try this.
it is a mirror image.
Okay, now this one.
This is not a mirror image, Meenu.
You are right, Futta.
But how? Look, I will show it to you with a mirror. See, it is not the same mirror image.
Now I know.
Now, let me draw some pictures. You have to draw a line to make them into same halves. This one.
I know. It is 8. I will draw a line here. See, now it is 2 mirror halves.
I like this. Did you like the mirror images? Friends, will you tell me what these images are and from where you looked at them? Pencil, from the top. Table, from the top. Car, from the side. Stove, from the top. Stairs, from the bottom. Stairs, from the side. Car, from the top. Table, from the side. Pan, from the top. Glass, from the side. Classroom, from the top. Chair, from the side. Railway track, from the top. Will you tell Buzz which of the following images are two similar mirror halves? Will you answer loudly?
similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half.
similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Not similar mirror half. Similar mirror half. Oh, one half of some letters are missing. Can you guess them? A, H, D,
E. X. O. B. K. W. U. Friends, please take your notebook. I will draw half of some pictures. Will you complete the other half in your notebook? I am also going to do it. Let us start.
Butterfly. Star. Sun. Bat. Bell. Cat.
flower. Flag.
Bye bye, friends.